Alright, starting with Netflix today here for Thursday, May 29th. Netflix had another monster move today, up $13.96, almost $14, closing up 3.48%. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to take a look at some fib levels here. I'm going to connect this low here at 299.50 and connect it to this 458 even number. Interesting how that it was the high on Netflix. You guys have heard me talk about even numbers a lot. So I'm going to set that to 458. Okay. Here's your next level on Netflix, 420.59. As you can see here, my line here that I've had drawn in here for a long time was a 786 retrace. This line here is very close to this 50% retrace. The next level to watch is this 236 level, which is 420.59. Alright, next up, Yelp. Yelp, we're still watching this 200-day moving average. Currently, it is at 69.65. That's your next level on Yelp. Keep an eye on that level. Amazon closed up 1.17%, still below this 316.49 level. Next up, LinkedIn did close up 2% on the day. Watch this red line here, your 50-day moving average, currently at 166.16. Let's see here. Dow Chemical, I've talked about this one in other videos. Beautiful breakout here. We were looking at Dow, I think on this day or this day. You guys could go back and watch the video. Closed up 1.35% today. I won't spend too much time on that one. Let's see here. Twitter closed up 23 cents on the day. Looks like 0.68% today. It did close above this 20-day moving average again. I'm not surprised. As I said yesterday, I expect some profit taking to happen on Twitter right now. Twitter does have a small gap to fill here. If you look at the 10-minute, it did gap up this morning. Watch this level here, 33.51 for a gap fill. Notice this line here, 34.10. We've had that one drawn in for a few days now. Notice how Twitter kind of bounced off of that level today. Today closed at 33.98. Next up, Yahoo. Yahoo is still kind of hovering in this range here. This line here I've had drawn in at 34.70. If you look at the 10-minute on Yahoo, you can see that level held today here. It gapped up, came down into that level, it did go lower, and then kind of drifted up towards the end of the day. Still staying below these moving averages. Next up, Bank of America closed up 1 penny today. 0.7% on the day. Here's your 10-minute chart. Here's something I noticed on Bank of America earlier. Bank of America is making a really nice wedge here. Alright, it's not perfect. You can see here that this candle does not connect with this line here, but it does connect here, 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 and here. And look at that. Looks like we did close above that line today. I'll be keeping an eye on Bank of America tomorrow. Last but not least, Tesla. Flat day on Tesla, nothing. still holding this 50-day moving average. Let's take a look at the 10-minute. This line here we've had drawn in at 210.18. Tesla closed today at 210.24. Above that level, not a whole lot of action in Tesla, which is interesting on a day when the market made new highs. Tesla had a flat day. One thing to point out on Tesla, just like Bank of America, it too is in a wedge pattern. So it'd be interesting to see how that plays out tomorrow. Let's see here. Last but not least, the SPY did make new highs today, closing at 192.38, up 0.52%, almost up $1, up 99 cents on the day. Doesn't surprise me. Volume was low today. We traded 64 million shares today. Very light volume. As you all know, I'm staying away from the SPY for right now. I'm just watching it do its thing here. I do expect a correction to take place in this market. When, I'm not 100% sure, but we are way too extended at this point. If we zoom out, just take a look here. I mean, this is just crazy. So I do expect this to pull back at some point. We will keep an eye on this line here, but for now we'll just keep watching the SPY. Alright, that's all I had for tonight. Kept it short today. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the videos also. Thanks a lot.